Hey, Coach Swaz here today to talk to you about how we're preparing kids for Western New York STAMP. Let's meet Dr. Chris Harris, our strength and conditioning coach.
Actually, I'm not that athletic. I'm Dr. Christopher Harris. I'm the director of the school library system for the Genesee Valley Educational Partnership. I've been here with the partnership for a little over 15 years. And what we've focused on in that time is really building up staff, trying to use open source software, trying to find creative solutions, so that we're throwing time at problems, not money. One of the things we started focusing on in the past few years is really looking at the future of this region. We know that there are opportunities here already, but the students may not all be ready for them. We said we need to create a new program. We need to move beyond working with just the teachers and librarians to focusing on working with students. And so we created a new partnership with the enrichment department, and we created a new service called ReadyFor.Today. We like to joke and say, well, you can't be ready for tomorrow if you're not ready for today. And so ReadyFor.Today was born. That's actually the domain name if you want to check out our catalog. ReadyFor.Today focuses on design, programming and technology, and the use of games and play-based learning. And it lets us go into the schools and bring all new technologies and new ways of thinking, systems thinking, computational thinking, problem solving, and really embed them into regular classroom instruction. We knew that to bring this philosophy to life, we couldn't just start in middle school or high school. We needed to start in kindergarten. We need to lay the foundation, bringing those computational skills to life in our very youngest learners, getting them thinking about debugging, problem solving, breaking down a big problem into small parts. All of these skills are absolutely critical. And because of the technologies today, we can bring them to life in the elementary classroom. So let me go back to why we called our service Ready for Today. We're getting these students ready for tomorrow. Of course we are. But we're doing that by talking about the tools that we have today. Even I'm a geek, but I don't know where technology is going. I'm asked, well, what programming language should we teach? None. Teach them how to think like a computer programmer. Teach them the concepts of computer science. Teach them about conditional statements and loops and algorithms. And then whatever computer programming they need to learn, they'll be able to learn. The same rings true across technology. If we teach them the underlying concepts of manufacturing, of having an idea, of going through an iterative design process, of testing, of debugging, of finalizing, they'll be ready for any technology that comes to a park like STAMP. They'll be ready for whatever they're seeing in their future. And we're going to get them ready for tomorrow by getting them ready for today.